Yeah.
Good morning, Billy.
Hey.
Hi, Edna.
Hey.
You look very busy today. That's odd. That oil tank is off its base. You're not thinking of trying to lift that tank, are you, Billy? Are you trying to show Edna how strong you are, Billy? Uh-oh. What a mess. You okay, Billy? Our good friend Tom can clean you up. Let's go see him. Good morning. Billy needs your help, Tom. As you can see, Billy can use a good washing, Tom. Look at those leaves and sand. Very, very sticky. That oil looks like chocolate sauce. Maybe a big sponge would soak that oil up. You can't even see that there are headlights under there. Okay, let's get to it. Raise up your bucket, Billy. The sponge will soak up all of that excess oil. Does that feel funny, Billy? What's wrong, Billy? Is the water cold? There, it's warmer now. Is that better? The sand is coming off. Okay, time for a little soap. Are you ticklish? There you go, Billy. The leaves are gone. It's time for a final wash. Now, let's get those headlights squeaky clean. There, almost done.
Yeah.
Full blast. It must feel good to be dry. Wow, Billy. Have you ever been this clean? Great job as usual, Tom. Is Billy good to go now? You're wondering what Tom is up to, aren't you, Billy? It's a giant umbrella to wear on your hat so nothing can spill on you. Thanks, Tom. Everybody is gone. You're doing great, Billy. See, no need for an audience. Edna is back. She's ready for a snow fight. Good thing you had your umbrella. Hey, Tom, will you carry the new bumpers alone? Ah, an assistant robot. Cool. Robot, is something wrong? You can't carry that by yourself. It's too heavy. Tom, do something. Put the bumper down, robot. Oh no, you're hurt. Tom, he'll need a repair before he can help you. Let's do the inspection. Yikes! That bumper broke your arm. And left your broken antenna. Tom, are you up to the challenge? Let's start with the broken arm. The robot doesn't want to lose his arm. Don't be scared. Tom will give you a new one. Okay, guys, let's go. Tom, make a choice. That won't work on the robot. Now you got it right. He loves his new arm.
Way.
Now let's repair the broken antenna. Yes, the hammer will work.
Yay!
No running away this time, robot.
Woo! Way!
Assistant Robot is finally back to his old self. Robot, are you ready to help Tom? Tom, do you have something else for the robot? Aha! A safety hat, just in case you bump your head again.
Yay!
Good job, Tom. Let's go get the bumpers. Great teamwork.
Yay!
Well, there's only one left. Watch out! Thanks to the safety hat, you feel well. Remember to work with protection. Is Sunny feeling sick, Amber? Oh no, she's caught a cold. What's wrong? You don't like the taste? Where did she go? Careful, don't drive so fast. Oh no, are you okay? She's gone crazy. Hurry, Tom. She needs help. She has to get repaired as soon as possible. Ready to start the inspection, Tom? The tree crashed your siren. It should be replaced. That arm needs some work. Tom, you have to fix her. Let's start by changing the broken siren. Time to pick a new one. Stop spinning. Tom needs to fix you. It looks great. Now let's take care of that arm. I think you need to work on it a bit more. She's back to her normal self. Well done, Tom. You're ready to help Amber again. You have a surprise for her, Tom? It makes medicine look and taste like candy. How cool! Now you can go back and give Sunny her medicine. Hi, Amber. Is Sunny still refusing to take her medicine? Now the medicine won't taste so bad. Come on, Sunny. She's feeling well again. There's always a way to make unpleasant things better. Great job, girls. Oh, here's Matilda the police car chasing Crocodile. Crocomile, it's bad to steal.
Hey.
Be careful. Matilda, are you okay? Ouch. That must be painful. Look, Tom, Matilda is hurt. Can you help her out? Matilda, Tom is an expert at repairing. He will tow you back to his workshop and fix you up. Nice garage. What should we fix, Tom? Matilda's bumper is broken, and we should replace her rear mirror. All right, you know what to do, Tom. Let's start with the bumper. Is that the right size? That's better.
Yay.
Great job. What else do we need to do?
Hey.
Good idea, Tom. Let's find Matilda a new rear view mirror.
Hey. Hey.
Better, isn't it? Haha, great. Perfect, Tom. You're like brand new, Matilda. Can Matilda go back to catch the thief now? What is it, Tom? You've got something to make police work a little bit safer? Aha! I get it. It's an airbag. Let's catch the thief now.
Yay.
Oh, Crocomile is here. Careful, guys. Wow, your airbag really works, Matilda. Crocomile, you're under arrest.
Yay.
Good job, as always, Tom.
Hey.
See you soon. Hey, Frank, Amber, and Matilda. What's the hurry? Oh, no. It's a giant animals attack. Marley, Tom, be careful when trying to stop them. Watch out! Now would be a good time to run and hide. Tom, Marley is hurt. Let's repair him in your garage. Uh-oh, the giant animals are back. Tom, this is your chance. Let's go. Ready to do the inspection? You have a flat tire. And a broken headlight. But don't worry, you'll be fixed in no time. Right, Tom? Let's start with the flat tire. Look, your assistant is here to help. Quick, do something. Okay, Tom, time to make a choice.
Way.
You got it. Let's save your strength for the repair.
Ooh. Woo.
Well done. The broken headlight also needs to go. Nice move, Matilda. Do you have the right size?
Hey.
That's the one.
Yay!
Marley is finally back to normal. Ready to stop the giant animals? Looks like Tom is up to something. A size gun to shrink the giant animals.
Yahoo!
Thanks for your help, Tom. Bye-bye. Marley, quick, use the size gun. Nicely done. Let's find the giant spider. Looks like they need help. Marley, you know what to do. Teamwork pays. Good morning, Ben. Oh, this trailer full of corn seems heavy. Isn't it too heavy for you? Your engine doesn't sound good. When something sounds wrong, it's better to pause and investigate. You okay? Can you fix your friend up, Tom? Marley, can you tow the trailer to the garage? Let's go! Thanks for your help, Marley. See you later. Where will you start, Tom? Clearly a broken bumper. And the junction snapped. You'll need a new one. There's also some nasty scratches that need repairing. Well, you've got this, Tom. You're a pro. Let's fix the front bumper first. Wow, that's a lot of different bumpers. That one looks perfect. That looks great.
Hey. Huh?
What's next? The junction? Do you have a new junction, Tom?
Wow.
Perfect.
Wow.
What now, Tom? The scratches? Ben is ticklish. There you go. Great job, Tom.
Heyo.
Hang on, Ben. Tom just remembered something. Come on, Ben. What is it? Wow. It's a super reactor, so you can easily pull your heavy loads, Ben. Want to go try it out?
Yoo-hoo. Hey.
Super reactors activated.
Yeah.
Patience is very important.